This is the new one. This is the old one. Now this is about, believe it or not, this is about a year old. All I did was add some more perlite to it. Didn't have enough perlite in it, and I changed up the formula a little bit. Added some lime to it. Originally this had sphagnum peat moss. Also it had cow manure, and it also has lime in it now, and perlite. So you can see a lot of perlite in here. You won't get those stuff in the bags like this. It won't come like this. They be holding back on the perlite. That's what I think. Now this one here is going to be moistened. This is the new stuff. I just poured a whole one of these on it, and I'm going to get ready to pour another one on it. I'm using one hand, folks, so you have to excuse me. It's not going to hurt nothing. I'm going to let this sit overnight and soak in. And it should turn from this color to this color. This is how you either make money, or you take this stuff right here and you grow beautiful plants with it. This is the stuff, folks. This is how it's done. And it took me years to learn this. Most people, they won't share information with you. I don't mind doing it. They won't do it. They'll show you their videos and they'll tell you buy their book, because they're going to show you how to grow plants. They're going to show you how to grow plants. They ain't going to show you everything, but they're going to give you enough so you can grow some nice plants. But this right here, oh, that's beautiful. Found this little half empty, well, mostly empty bag at the, in there, wherever there's scraps, it's made from a company. Not measured, just added. And there you go. Smooth that around in there like that. Really kind of mix it well, because I forgot to put it in there when I put the stuff together. So the next batch I make, I won't forget that. There you go. It's no big deal. This is no big deal. People make this stuff out to be brain surgery and tell you all that stuff and say, oh, by the way, buy my book, buy my e-tape. You can't grow nothing without it. You can't learn this without me giving you that book or that e-tape. There we go. Does that not look pretty? Anyone want to do in the comments, put it up there pretty. That's pretty. And it didn't cost nothing. They got some of this stuff cost $40 a bundle for what is it? $40, $50. They get whatever they can get off of you. Alright, let's see, can I add some water to this. I'm making this out no brain surgery. This is simple. You can make pancakes, you can make this. Pancakes from scratch. Now I'm going to let that soak in and see where I'm at with the watering. I don't want to add too much.